Hey guys, it's Matt with Contractor Hub, and I'm going to talk about something a little different today. We're going to talk about being AI native and what does that actually mean? A lot of people out there, a lot of companies, softwares claim we are an AI native product, but are they really? That's a big question to ask. So, AI native in this context really means that all of the tools, all of the things that you can do in the application were built with AI in mind. So when we built Contractor Hub, we built them all with the tools first. We built them with all the things that you need to be able to do with an AI tool first, and then we layered the database, then we layered the UI, and then we evolved that UI. So we really started with the tools first. And I'm going to show you an example of that in just a minute. But let's first also talk about what AI native is not. So there's a lot of other softwares out there that have AI capabilities, and the difference between AI native and capabilities are basically the AI native softwares have access to all of the data within that software, but an AI wrapper may not have context over all of that data within the software. So think about it like this, in Contractor Hub, we have everything from project management tools to marketing tools to HR tools to financial tools. We have all those things in Contractor Hub. Now, our AI tools can all talk to each other, and they all have what's called an orchestration layer. So there's basically this central brain that is able to call all these different tools and say, hey, I need to use this financial tool, I need to use this, bring all that data together, and then it starts to actually process that data, give you a response as needed. Now, what AI native is not is a tool that maybe just has access to maybe your CRM, or maybe it just has access to one of your HR tools, and it can help you write a employment agreement or something like that. However, it doesn't have any context over jobs or SOPs or anything else that's in your system. So that's more of an AI wrapper or AI capability, while AI native can actually engage, take action, and do multiple things all at once. So let me show you an example of how Contractor Hub is AI native. We're going to load into Claude here. So once you connect to our internal MCP server, you have access to, I think as of today, we're somewhere around 102 tools in our tool bank, which is probably roughly equates to, I'd say, 60% of the things that you can do within Contractor Hub. We are adding more and more every week, so they are coming. Eventually, you'll be able to do everything within an LLM. So now, if I wanted to do something, say, do I have any estimates to follow up? What that's going to do is that is going to call our MCP server. It's going to figure out what tool it needs to use. So just through human language, the orchestration layer starts to go through a semantic retrieval process, a technical term for finding what tool to use. And it's going to find the right tool, and it's going to call that tool or multiple tools and access the needs. For instance, we found 3 estimates, all sent. They have not received a response, and they're all from Sarah, totaling $21,000. So none of them are expired, but they've been out for roughly a month. So yeah, yes, please. Little fun fact, the simple word please asked to an LLM can contribute to a significant amount of energy usage across thousands and thousands and millions of searches. So I usually keep them short, but I think I just accidentally slipped one in there. I'm so used to please and thank you. My mom taught me well. But anyway, so now it found those out. It's going to draft those emails and ask me if I want to actually send those emails. So now it's going to call a different agent and actually send those emails. I'm not going to fire off these emails on these, but I'm going to show you another example of how AI native and what AI native really is. So it's like, do I have any vehicles that need maintenance? So this is looking at our fleet tool. So it's going to go through the fleet, and it's going to find out if there's any vehicles that have been flagged for service or maybe didn't pass a weekly check. It looks like it found one. So truck number 7 is currently unassigned. Yes, pull up the full details and see what's going on. I'm going to pull up the details and create a service task. So now it's creating a task within the system and it's pulling up the details of the truck. Here it is. It's currently used for cruise transport. It's in maintenance. It's currently in the shop for transition service. So now follow up on status of service. And then what's going to happen, it's going to look through, it's going to determine a couple of ways I could follow up here, make sure I do the right one. I'm going to draft an email to the shop. And there we go. So it's going to look for the shop info, but it doesn't have any shop info, unfortunately. So here's going to be the draft. It's going to give me a draft. I'm following up on the status. And then I can now just open that directly in my mailbox. And that full email draft is going to be in my mail. Popped up in a new window, so you can't see it here. But that's a really good example of AI native. Imagine 102 more things that you could do with that. And the benefit with our orchestration layer is that it really does understand what you're meaning. So I've trained it across, multiple ways to ask what somebody could use for a tool. And if it's not clear, it's always going to ask you for a better amount of clarity. So but that's about it. So I hope that was a little bit insightful for you. I know that went a little bit long. However, I wanted to really show you the difference between an AI native application and a or more of an AI capable application. So we'd love to show you around our MCP server, how we use it internally, both for our internal business and for our customers, and how they use it to connect the dots within their ContractorHUB application and database. So if you have any questions, feel free, jump on the website, contractorhub.app, schedule a demo with us. We'll be glad to show you a lot more detail around the MCP and how we can really make life so much easier and make your processes much more efficient internally. So we will see you on the next video. Thanks.